Hello, fans of the spooky season. Greetings from our channel once more. For all of you Halloween enthusiasts out there, we have something special planned for today. We're going into the world of creepy and magical car decorations that'll make your ride the spookiest on the street. Introducing the Halloween car decorations. Let's start with our first offering, the 16 pieces Halloween magnet decorations. These glowing Halloween-themed magnets with pumpkins, witches, and bats are ideal for decorating your car, metal doors, and refrigerator. They reflect light and glow at night, producing a spine-chilling atmosphere. Decoration for car roofs. Up next, the car roof decoration 3D bumper hood stickers. Have you ever had trouble locating your vehicle in a busy parking lot? So these stickers can be of use to you. Halloween ghost car magnets. These shiny ghost magnets are ideal for adding some decoration to your fridge or automobile. They bring a delightful touch to your holiday activities with their adorable blue motifs. Additionally, they are waterproof, therefore the weather is unimportant. Adorable sugar skull Halloween decorations. Last but not least, we have a special item, cute sugar skull Halloween decorations for car. These vent clips and air fresheners not only keep your car smelling great, but they also give the inside a cool, gothic feel. They also make wonderful Christmas presents. Those are our best options for Halloween automobile decorations, folks. These items will enable you to transform your car into the ideal Halloween statement piece, whether you favor adorable sugar skulls, terrifying ghosts, or witches. Before we finish up, remember to click on the links in the description to learn more about these products. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification button to get updates on everything Halloween related.